Ki au nei pia ko whare tōna terenga, ka pia te piro tuatahi, nāna e whiwhi ia, no te mea e tino tere ia I te rākau, kua kite e au.
You can see it in his eyes that he's not going to disrespect anyone by taking it easy. And so I would say Doug or Rangiti, he would have the first ones.
No mates in the ring, no iwi in the ring. It's all about you and him.
Round 2. Whare sets off the scores. Doug is also gaining well. A show of great technique from the Toa. Whare tries varying attacks to reach his opponent, keeping his distance. Doug continues with his scoring run. Great side attacks from Doug. And defense also. Whare scores to the head. Tuki encourages the Toa. And Whare lands another strike, bringing us close to the end of round 2.
Looking at our Toa's faces and knowing that they've got to knock each other. One of them has to knock each other over, and he has to send them home.
I don't really want to see both of them go. They've both got their unique personalities.
He tino kaha rauatahi, he tere a whare, engari he kaha te patu ki ngā kōrero, he tino kaha te patu a Doug ki tōna hoariri, āna pia ka hinga tētai, pia ka hinga tētai atu, kore au tino mōhio.
Round 3. Whare utilises speed to avoid his opponent. Doug lands another huge strike. Doug continues with his power hits. A speedy defense and counter-attack from Whare. Impressive agility shown by Whare. A show of force from Doug. A solid attack from Whare. And another point to Whare as we near the end of round 3.
Hine ngaro, kaya Doug. He tino toa ki wēnei tūmomo a huatanga.
They both got the same style. It'll be more of a waiting game for both of them. They all know which hand they lead off.
He pai a Doug, engari ki aku nei pia he tere ake a Whare.
A te whare kōtua kāre tino weke ki tāna taumata I tēnō ngā wā. Kariro hei kai nā te ahi.
Fourth and final round. Whare opens the scores. A great counter from Whare to the head of the opponent. Another rapid shot to Doug's head. Whare looks to be making a comeback, earning some valuable points, despite being in the final round of the fight. Yet another point to Doug. Who will have enough to win the fight? Whose journey will end at this level? The Toa battle it out, right to the bitter end. Doug looks to be tiring in the last minutes. But has Whare left it too late to make a comeback in the final round?
Very strong, intimidating, but awesome choice follow.
Trying to play chess with him, trying to push him into corners where I could get him, but he wasn't playing the game. He zoned it, gender and mind, and that's good. He's got some experience there.
A tēnā no koutou, e ngā toa, tokorima. E toa ana ki tēnei, hui ngā toa. Koe ke nei ki tēnei papa hororaka, ka nui te mihi kia kōrua i tēnei rangi. Mai te tīmatanga, a tāno ki tōna mutunga, ko ngā wāhanga e whā, paira wātu, wā kōrua mahi. No reira, anei rā te whakataunga. Ko te toa, ka puta i tēnei taumata, tātai rākau, i tēnei rangi. Kei tēnei taha, Doug. Tēnā koe, tēnā koe. Hongi, kia tau Aotearoa. Doug the Powerhouse has beaten the younger and fitter warrior and proven to be a major contender to win this tournament.
He got me a few times on my arm, right in the place where it wasn't protected. Yeah, so good shots. Such a young fellow like that, he got heaps, for the future. He's promising tour for the future,
Ka mihi te kāhui toa kia te whare kōtua. Ka mahu e mai ki muri nei.
It's awesome. I'm proud. It's choice. Feels all good. I'm happy. Made it to the top 5. It's been an honour being here. It's choice.
You stuck to your word, Bill, and I stuck to mine. And you were close, bro. You were very close. And yeah, just carry on, bro. Carry on that path, and sooner or later, bro, you'll be the stuff. You'll be the stuff, man. Yeah, future up and coming Mauri Toa. Mauri Toa, bro.
Thoroughly enjoyed the experience here in Toa Aotearoa. Had an awesome fight with the Toa Doug. Overall awesome experience, and to the kāhui Toa left, kia kaha, all the best, give it your all. And to all the Toa out there in Aotearoa who are willing to give this a go, I encourage you to do so. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. Mauri Toa!
Maui Productions.